Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iOS control center on this device. So what you have to do is to just download the app Control Center iOS 14 from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, grant all the permissions it requires to this app. Then tap here. And here you can enable this control center. Let's set its position, for example, on left, or maybe on right, because we already have some slider on the left. You can change its size here, change its colors. What else can you change? And here you have this control center. Wow, just like on the iOS. Unbelievable. We can also customize its background, for example, here. But of course you'll have to watch some ads first, because why not? A lot of ads, okay. You can set it to be current wallpaper, default background, screen blur behind. Okay. Basically, if you want to do anything, you have to watch a lot of ads. Let's set it to be current wallpaper. As you can see, now I have my wallpaper, but blurry one at the background. And you can also change some other features, but of course you'll have to watch a lot of ads before it, and so on. Like size, color, position. It's all of the same options for this slider here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.